What's up everyone and welcome back to a new video in my channel. Today we'll be analyzing the market of 20th April. So this is the workshop number 3 of my channel. Today we'll be analyzing the futures market of April 20 to see exactly what happened on this day. So thank you so much for your time watching this video. Hope you're gonna get some value. Please make sure to take some notes because we're going to be analyzing every setup step by step, pausing if we see any interesting thing. And yes, I'm gonna pause the chart so you guys can see it exactly. So we're going by 2 times speed so we can speed up the process. I don't want to take a lot of time from you guys. I just want you to see exactly what happened. So the rule is we don't trade in the first 5 minutes within the opening of the market. Later on, until the markets find itself, then we can start trading. So thank you so much for the support you're receiving. It just helps us to make more videos for you guys. It takes a lot of time to make videos, lots of energy and a lot of thinking, but with the love you guys are giving us, I mean, that's what we should do. So as you guys can see, the market is quite low on volume, I guess, for the first minutes. That is way too low. 400, 500, 167. I mean, that's low volume for a market, right? So I suppose this was a Monday. So this is actually a Monday. I don't know exactly what's the reason behind the market being this low, but we're gonna find out together, okay? We'll see if there's some important news coming in that decides where the market is going. All right, so the first things first, this is one of my favorite setups to actually analyze, which is this one. So what do we see here? It's 2 POCs at the same level, okay? Opposite POCs, side by side POC, name it however you want. Let me write it for you. I don't know where the I mean, there was an option, but I don't know where did it disappear now, okay? So this option just disappeared. I could have written it for you guys here. Okay, so as you can see, we went back to that level and let's analyze exactly. Okay, let me pause the live stream first. Let me put a line here, a ray maybe, that's better. Okay, we'll hit the market by this time, I suppose. So let us analyze and see what happens to the market once it reaches that level again, okay? Can just let it be. Okay, so we broke past that level. It gave us a POC at the top, which I already told you guys. That is a very, very important one, okay? That's a very important one. Well, sorry, stay with me here. Up, okay. So the POC at the top went down, small correction, gave us 2 big imbalances at the same line, and then we broke past it. What does it mean? This is a very, very important zone. Analyze exactly what happens every time we reach that level. Every time we reach the level, just analyze it and see what the market does. POC at the top again. As you can see, POC at the top here, right? So what does this mean? It decides everything about a market. If you see a POC at the bottom of a downtrend reversal or a POC at the top of an uptrend reversal, look for setups, analyze exactly what's happening, then take a trade. Don't just go and take it immediately because that's going to be a stupid decision from you with all due respect, okay? Don't just go and put your money in it. Analyze first. And yes, as you can see, we went up POC level, quick correction here, and then the market went down. So that was exactly what happened in this market condition here, okay? So as you can see, we gave us a lot of single prints and the balances at the top of each candlestick. Then we went down. So POCs at the top, POCs, this was the subject of the day. All right, we got 3 POCs holding side by side. Let's see what the market is going to do once we reach the level again. I think I can just move this one here. Perfect. So let's see again what the market is going to do. I don't want to trade volume today because as you can see it's so low. I cannot trust 100 and 400 candlestick charts to decide my future. Okay, so we came back to that level. We gave us an imbalance, and then it went up. Okay, imbalance with a single print, same thing once here again. So I would have taken a buy here, okay, with my stop loss just beside here. And a very important one, well, as you guys can see, 4 single prints at the exact same level. But yes, the order flow is not stable right now. I mean, eventually 100, 200, 100 again. I cannot trust the market in these conditions, because I always tell you guys, don't trade when the market is not giving you signs. Okay, do not trade. That's gonna be a huge mistake if you do, because the market itself doesn't know what is it doing. Like, I didn't trade this day, luckily, because I remember we had a live stream this day. I didn't trade because I knew something like this would happen, and I was like, no, I'm not taking any position. I'm not going to risk it off. There is no need to trade every day. Not taking a trade itself is a trade. So why would I risk it? Okay, that's the mentality you should be using every day if you're trading. Okay, don't just go and take every trade. So here, once again, as you guys can see, we broke past the level. So again, that's a very important one. 33 against 2, single print here with an imbalance. We came back again, same level, completely the opposite thing. I would have took my position here if I saw this single print. Okay, that was a good one actually. That was a good trade, because as you can see, we switched off very fast. It went from 33, buy an imbalance here, single print, exhaustion there, to completely the opposite. This was a buy and imbalance, became selling imbalance with single prints being exchanged. What does it mean? It's not buyers anymore, it's sellers' turn to turn off the market. That's exactly what happened. Alright, here once again, as you can see, minus 200. Candlestick still managed to go up 100 in volume. Quick reversal pit stop. Let's see what's going to happen next. Okay, single print. Then the market is going to launch up maybe. Yeah, news were coming. News. You can never actually trust the market when you see a low volume. Never trust the market like that. It's like trusting a bitch, okay? Sorry for the word, but it's the same thing. If you trust the market with low volume, you're like a guy who's not experienced enough to meet and date girls. And this is what happens to you in the end. It'd be like, oh, all women are the same. Well, you're going to the wrong women. You're trading in the wrong timing of the market. Do not trade when you see such conditions. Don't just go to the market. That's going to be a stupid decision from you. And yes, you're just going to lose your money and be like, oh, but this guy in Egypt told me, if you see red delta with a green candle, just buy. Yeah, that's a good option. Yes, that's a good option if you see confirmation, if you see great information that would help you to trade. Don't just go and take every position you see in front of you just because I told you so. Especially do not trade in a market that's so volatile and low on volume. And now it's low on volume with consolidation. Like I think the news took everything already. Well, this is it for the day. Quick thing I want you to take. Do not trade when you see a low volume in the market. So guys, thank you so much. You had a quick analysis of the market today. So as I said, if you got any questions, you can just let me know in the comment section. You can just send me a message or whatever, and I'll be very happy to help each one of you. So thank you guys, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.